Yo, what's going on, my fans? How y'all doing? Second video of the year. So I know what y'all came for the New Balance, right? We're gonna get into it in like 2 seconds. First, I gotta make some announcements. But if you don't want to stick around for the announcements, go down below, click on the timestamps. I put timestamps. As of lately, I've been putting timestamps in my videos, descriptions, where you can find the shoes, link to the shoes, everything. All of that is in all of my reviews for all my videos. I'll be trying to help y'all out. As far as the announcements, I guess either right after this or maybe tomorrow, but then before next week, all of this will be on display. I will be doing collection videos. I mean, if y'all come at the right price, then I might be able to, you know what I'm saying, give y'all some wiggle room, you know what I'm saying, and let y'all make offers or whatever, you know what I mean, on my collection. I don't want to sell it. This is like probably like my third collection, probably my third biggest collection I had. My second collection I sold and I bought my car with that. So with this one, I'm just trying to keep and maintain and build up and just try to see the farthest higher our number can go. Although I prefer quality over quantity, but if I can get quality and quantity at the same time, then yeah. So with that being said, we're gonna hop right into this unboxing directly from New Balance. Somebody, I don't know who, it looked like it says love on the box. I can't really make that out, but these are directly from New Balance. These are directly from the New Balance factory. How I hit these, scrolling on Twitter, follow Sneaker Twitter, follow us, Sneaker Huddle, follow Soul Links. All these people, they post. I think Soul Retriever too. Matter of fact, don't forget Soul Retriever. These are the people I follow on Twitter, and they just let you know about the steals and deals on certain sneakers. This one wasn't on sale or anything. Matter of fact, maybe this was. No, this particular one wasn't on sale, but we did snipe it because it was the last size. So without further ado, I guess I can make another announcement while I'm trying to get this box open. And I want to say this may be the first New Balance I probably unbox. I may be wrong about that, but we're gonna see how this video do. My first off-brand as far as Jordan was I want to say ASICS. ASICS was my off-brand, so we're gonna see how these New Balances do. And as far as this colorway, man, it looked pretty sweet in the picture, so we're gonna see how it look in hand. But the announcement is we almost hit 2,000. I'm looking at my counter right now. It says we 1,980 something. We in there, so we probably like 20 subscribers away. So what I'm trying to do before my birthday, I'm trying to make sure I hit 2,000 before my birthday. So I'm gonna get this collection video up before my birthday. Then I got a special surprise for y'all coming pretty soon. So that's what my announcement. But without further ado, we're gonna get more into this. So I'm kind of new to the New Balance thing. Receipt thing in the box. These are classics, white and blue. These are the New Balances 1960s, I want to say R. It's a men's, size 11.5. Not a personal pair, but I did buy these for the little one, because you know this their style. And I kind of got a sneak preview. Yeah, I could peek. Like, try to get a little teaser. Yeah, I can see what's in there. But we're gonna, oh yeah, let me show y'all first. Ready, set. Let me see. We happy? Is we happy? Okay. Okay. Okay, New Balance. And it's got a milky outsole. That's crazy. With this. Some of y'all, now I can look at it now. It look like it's a little bit too much going on, but at the same time, it still like kind of look good, like at the same time. I low-key wanted these for myself. Now I'm having second thoughts. Maybe my son will have second thoughts. But yeah, this is what he picked. This is what he want. So I showed him. He said, yeah. So I grabbed them for him. Yeah, man, I don't know how I feel about these, man. Maybe because I'm just such a Jordan head. You know what I'm saying? This is new to me. But if y'all liking it, if y'all feeling these, comment down below. You know what I'm saying? How y'all feel about these colorways. Got the wrinkled toe box. I want to try something different, but maybe we will. I got a C-stand, and I want to make sure y'all get an up close and personal view of these. So we made it to the C-stand. New Balance logo on the box. We're gonna take these things out of the box. All right, so the first thing you see is the New Balance logo. Gonna get that rubbery filling on there, the N-lock, the New Balance logo. And you also have the 1960R on there. And you have the mesh all the way in the back. You see that? Try not to get too close to the cam. This is my first time doing this, so please bear with me. The mesh, and it also has this kind of materials, as you can see. I don't know. I don't even know what kind of materials that is. I guess it's like rubber or plastic. But on top of that, you also have more plastic throughout the layer. So it's like 3 or 4 layers. The mesh, the white and blue cloud coloring, the white overlay, and then the New Balance on top of it. And then at the bottom, we have the N-ergy on the outsole. And then on top of the tongue, you have the New Balance for running. And then you also have the New Balance on the toe box, white shoestrings. Get a good look at these shoestrings. Just regular shoestrings. Milky outsole on the outside, as you can see. Turn the shoe around. Same thing on the other side of the shoe. The N-lock with the New Balance logo. Turn it around. So you kind of get the gist of it. You got the New Balance on the outsole at the bottom of the shoe with the endurance. I don't know if y'all can get that. The endurance on that bad boy. TM trademark. And you also have stability right here. I don't know if y'all can read that right here. Stability web. And kind of like this grippy feeling. So you got the indented nipples or the reverse nipples, I guess you could say. But yeah. Let me know how y'all feel about this, man. Yeah. I'm not gonna take this out, but y'all can see what's going on in here. Let me fix the lighting. And get a full gist of that. And then for the outsole, hopefully it's not too close to the camera. Yeah. So next time I gotta put some lotion on my hands when I do this C-stand thing. But yeah, that's the gist of it. Let me get both shoes out of the box. This what it will look like looking down at your feet. Both shoestrings tied. You know what I'm saying? I'm slew-footed, so my feet to be like this. You know what I mean? See? Get both sides. Kind of get the gist of that. Just trying to get some B-roll. For the cam. Put this back together. So we're gonna head back to the camera to say our goodbyes, man. All right, y'all. So there you have it. The New Balance. Trying to build a new format, man. So let me know how y'all like the new format. Outsoles. You know what I'm saying? That's gonna conclude it for this video, man. Let me know how y'all feel about this. But yeah, I get it with y'all later, man. Everybody be peaceful, stay patient, be blessed, and be humble. I get it with y'all later, man. For the passion, for the people, for the culture. Peace.
back. Calm down, she could be worse, never say.